Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this Eid special look. This is a very neutral look which you can actually pair up with any lid color that you want. And now let's just move on to the video. So first we're starting off with this Face Shop White Seed Moisturizer. This will just help to ensure that our face stays hydrated even underneath all the makeup throughout the day. So sunscreen is very essential for any makeup routine, especially if it's in the daytime. So I will be taking this one by L'Oreal. It is really lightweight and won't make your face feel heavy. And I'm just going to swipe it to make sure that it gets absorbed in my face. For eyes, I'm going to be priming it first with MAC Spotlight Concealer, just to make sure that we get rid of any pigmentation. I've done my brows off camera, and for my eyes I'm using this Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette. Taking this brownie orange shade, I'm using it as the transition, and I will be blending it out and re-intensifying it till I'm happy with the intensity. Now I will be moving on to the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favours the Brave palette, and from that I will be taking this neutral brown shade, and then I'm going to put it right below my crease, and again I'm just re-intensifying and blending it out. Then I'm going to take that same transition shade and blend everything out. This is a very neutral look, so you can pair it up with any single eyeshadow that you want. Now using the same concealer, I'm going to cut my crease as we're going for a half cut crease. Doing this would just help to ensure that we know where our crease is, and then just join the concealer to it. Now taking this gorgeous shimmery copper shade from the Wet n Wild palette, I'm going to put it on the inner 1/3 of my eyelids. Then taking this muted gold shade, I'm going to just put it in the middle just to join everything. Now I'm just blending out all the edges. Using this warm brown shade, I'm going to deepen up my crease, and first I'm just patting the color in, and then I'm going to just blend everything out. Now taking this Faces Ultime Pro Felt Tip Liner, I'm going to create a normal winged liner. And now I'm going to create another small wing on the inner third. Now I'm just going to tightline my eyes with some Kajal, and then I'm going to put on some mascara with the False Lash Superstar Mascara by L'Oreal. And after that I'm going to be moving on to falsies. You can totally skip this step. I'm using the PAC M73 lashes. Now I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime Blurring Primer, and this will help to ensure that all our pores and imperfections have been blurred out. It will also help to make the makeup long lasting. For foundation, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, as this is quite lightweight and it gives medium coverage as well. I'm using the Rumer Cosmetics Marshmallow Sponge to blend everything out. For concealer, I'm going in with the PAC Spotlight Concealer in Nutcracker, and I'm putting it on all the places that I want to conceal and highlight. And then I'm just blending it all out using the Rumer sponge again. Then I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and I'm going to bake my face. Baking will help to ensure that your makeup is way more long lasting and so that the makeup does not crease during the day or move as well. Now I'm going to do the lower lash line, and I'm using a Kajal and just tight lining very strongly, and then I'm going to smoke it all out using a pencil brush and the warm brown eyeshadow that we used. For contouring, I'm going to go in with this Sugar Cosmetics bronzer, and I'm just going to use that to contour my whole face. So I'm putting it underneath my cheekbones and the jawline as well as my forehead. I'm also going over my nose just to give it an overall bronze. For blush, I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild blush, and I'm going to put it on the apples of my cheeks and just swipe it across. For highlighter, I'm going in with the Master Chrome by Maybelline. This is so stunning, especially for festivals. I'm going to put it on my cheekbones as well as under my brows to highlight and bring out those areas of my face. I'm also putting it on my cupid's bow, my nose as well as my forehead. Then I'm going to use this makeup fixer by L'Oreal, and this will also help to ensure that your makeup does not move during the day. Now I'm using this lip liner by Maybelline, and I'm just going to line my lips and fill them as well. Even if your lipstick wears out throughout the day, the lip liner underneath will ensure that you still have a tint on your lips. For lipstick, I'm using the MAC Russian Red. This is a very, very beautiful red, and I'm going to put it all over my lips. This is one of the two lip options that I am going to be showing you. You can go for this one, or you can go for one which is even darker. For the dark lip shade, I'm going to be using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Madrid, and this will complement the look so well, especially if you're wearing something red. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I tried to keep this glam yet wearable and lightweight at the same time. I hope you all have a great Eid, and if you want to see more videos like this, then do subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.